Hey gardeners, are your raised beds looking tired with plants struggling to grow? Don't worry. Today we're sharing the ultimate guide to refreshing your raised bed soil for a bountiful 2025 garden. I'm Master Gardener Steve at the Celtic Farm, and we'll cover why your soil needs a refresh, the best times to do it, and a step-by-step process to revive your beds on a budget. This is a perfect time to get started. Let's dig in. Raised beds are fantastic for drainage, warmer soil, and fewer weeds, but their contained design means soil compacts and depletes faster. Weather and decomposition reduce soil volume, so regular refreshes are the key. Here are 5 signs that your soil needs a reset. Number 1, hard, dense soil that's crusty or pools water and lacks aeration. 2, stunted plants or tiny fruits despite good care, a nutrient deficiency alert. 3, excessive weeds or recurring pests, signaling imbalanced soil. 4, sinking soil levels, leaving beds half empty after a season or two. And 5, pale, dry soil without the rich, crumbly texture. It's crying for organic matter. Timing your soil refresh is crucial to avoid harming plants and letting amendments settle. The best time? Early spring or late fall. Early spring, late February to early April, preps beds 2 to 4 weeks before planting. Milder winters mean zones 7 and up can start earlier. October to November and late fall lets amendments break down over winter for spring fertility. Avoid midsummer to protect active roots. For cold zones 3 to 6, skip frozen winter soil. In mild zones 8 to 10, off-season refreshes work year-round. Pro tip. It's August 2025, so now's the time to plan your fall refresh for healthier crops next season. Let's get hands-on with a 5-step process to refresh your bed soil. No need to replace all the soil unless it's contaminated. Focus on amending and aerating. Here's how. Step 1. Test and clean the bed. Use a $10 to $30 soil test to check pH. Aim for 6.5 to 7.5. And nutrients. Clear weeds, dead plants, and roots. Compost healthy material, but toss diseased stuff to avoid pathogens. For contaminated soil, remove the top 6 to 12 inches and replace with fresh mix. Step 2. Loosen and aerate. Gently aerate with a garden fork or broad fork. Avoid heavy tilling to protect soil structure and organisms. For compacted soil, mix in 1 to 2 inches of perlite or vermiculite. Step 3. Add organic amendments. Compost is king. Spread 1 to 4 inches of homemade or store-bought compost for nutrients and microbes. If levels are low, use a 70-30 topsoil compost blend. And worm casting, aged manure, bone meal for extra boosts. Cover crops like clover or beans build natural fertility. Step 4. Adjust the pH and nutrients. Based on your test, add lime to raise pH or sulfur to lower it. For heavy feeders like tomatoes, use a slow-release organic fertilizer sparingly. Step 5. Mulch and water. Top with 2 to 3 inches of mulch, straw, leaves, or wood chips to retain moisture and stop weeds. Water deeply to settle, keeping soil moist, not soggy. This refresh can cost under $50 with homemade compost, affordable and effective. Gardening on a budget? Try these hacks. For free amendments, collect leaves, grass clippings, and coffee grounds. Plant cover crops like fava beans or clover. DIY compost. Turn your kitchen scraps into compost. Bokashi bins can handle dairy or meat scraps. Salvage reinforcements. Use old pallets or branches to fix sagging beds. And water saving trick. Buy terracotta pots for slow release irrigation. Mixing topsoil with aged manure or sawdust also improves aeration and provides stronger roots. Number 6. Common mistakes to avoid. Avoid these pitfalls for a perfect refresh. Don't overtill, it harms the soil. Always test soil to avoid pH or nutrient issues. Use aged manure, not fresh, to prevent plant burn. Mulch to stop erosion and drying. And refresh in spring or fall, not mid-season. That's your guide to refreshing raised bed soil for a thriving 2025 garden. These steps tackle compaction, boost nutrients, and keep things sustainable. Ready to start? Drop your favorite gardening tip in the comments, like this video, and subscribe for more gardening hacks. Check out related videos on soil mixes and cover crops in the description. Happy gardening, and let's make 2025 your best harvest yet.